How to use Klarna on TikTok Shop. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use Klarna in your TikTok shop. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your TikTok account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged into your TikTok account, just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and from there just go to the three dot menu icon from the top right corner of the screen, and from there just click on balance section, and over here you will be able to see the option called purchase coin. Just simply click on get and click on get coins, and now you will be able to see the option called add credit or debit card. You can add Cash App also, you can add PayPal and other options. And now in order to use Klarna in your TikTok shop, all you have to do is just simply get yourself a Klarna card for now. And if you have the card with yourself, just simply get the details like your card number, CVC code and expiration date and other details. And if you don't have the card, just simply get yourself a Klarna card, and as soon as you get it, just simply copy the details like the card number, CVC code and other options. And after that just come back to your TikTok shop account, and over here just simply tap on add credit or debit card, and over there just simply enter your Klarna card details like the card number, CVC code, expiration date, zip code and other details. And once you're done filling in all the details of your Klarna card, your Klarna card will be linked to your TikTok account, and after that you can use the amount to get the product from the TikTok shop in your TikTok account only. So this is basically how you will be able to use Klarna on TikTok shop. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.